Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Hit Me Hard and Soft theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you need to follow is to open Play Store and search for the Facebook Messenger. Click on that and you need to update your Messenger application. Once you done that, you need to open Messenger application and you simply need to select any random conversation and click on the person name on the top. Then you need to click on theme and here you can see Hit Me Hard and Soft. Click on that, click on select again, and now you can see that this theme is activated for this conversation only. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.